In today's video, I'm going to walk you through on how to upload 10-minute videos on TikTok. Now, TikTok has also introduced uploading longer videos on their platform. They are doing this in order to match up with YouTube and encourage other people to post longer videos such as vlogs. Now, because TikTok is trying to match up with YouTube, TikTok has released this feature to almost everyone all around the world. Now, before you head over to TikTok, make sure that you have updated the app. Open up your Play Store or the App Store and check if there is any update, and you simply update the app. Once you update it, you can open up your TikTok. Now, from the home screen of your TikTok, it's pretty much the same as you upload any kinds of videos. You tap on this plus icon on the bottom. The thing that you need to know is you cannot take a 10-minute video within the platform. As you can see, it only has 3 minutes. You simply need to tap on upload and upload it from your phone. Now, if your video is 10 minutes, you can easily see an interface similar to this, and you can now easily post it to your profile on TikTok. So that's how easily you can now upload 10-minute videos on TikTok. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to subscribe, share, and give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today, and I'll be back with more.